Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company, and I have one word about this wig: elegance, period. This is beginner friendly because this wig literally came like this. The only thing that I had to do to this wig was just, comb out the curls so that they can look this full. But other than that, there's nothing that I did. Okay, like I am so obsessed with this wig. I love the fact that it came like this. Literally, I love the fact that this wig, I know you're looking at me, you're like, yo, she had to do a lot of things to get this look, but let me tell you something. This wig is a C-part wig, so meaning even if you're a beginner, you can get yourself this wig. If you are a beginner, actually, you must get yourself this wig, period. So guys, Luvme hair quality is top tier. I love it. I love this wig. Y'all can see how nice I'm looking. Look at those brown highlights. They are absolutely amazing. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video. But please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, you touch, you kiss.
So guys, I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. They were kind enough to send me all these nice goodies, and oh my goodness, you guys, a girl can never have enough of the wig caps and combs. Okay, so I am so grateful for all of these. So if you buy hair from Luvme Hair Company, you're going to get some nice goodies. Okay, so now my favorite part of the video. Okay, this girl is straight out of the box. First of all, this wig is so soft. The curls are so soft and they're bouncy. Look at that, you guys. Before I show you everything, look at that. Look at how bouncy they are. They are moving with you. When you shake your head, they literally move. Okay, so this color is so beautiful. It is a highlighted elegant look for sure. Let me show you guys how. Look at that. Look at how shiny this wig is. It is absolutely beautiful, guys. I am obsessed. Okay, look at the highlights. They look absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so this is a C part, and they did everything for us. They literally created this amazing parting for us. It is a C part wig, so you don't have to do much. You just put this wig on your head and you are good to go. Okay, so this is a C part wig, and okay, I love the fact that it is stretchy. Look at that. So it will fit you, whether you've got a small head or you've got a medium head. Even if you have a big head, this wig is definitely going to fit you. Okay, it has two combs on the side, one right here at the back. It has this adjustable belt. Okay, we love adjustable belts. And it also has these two extra adjustable belts so that you can adjust your wig accordingly. Okay, I am so obsessed with the color. This is going to look so good on my skin tone. I know a brown highlighted wig looks good on me, and this is definitely going to look good on me. You see, just like that, né? Straight out of the box, this is how the wig is looking. Look at that. One thing about Luvme Hair, even though the wig is a C part, they will bleach that C. They will literally design it nicely. Look at that. This is absolutely perfection. Guys, are you seeing that? It is stuck. This wig is not going anywhere. So if you are a beginner, get yourself a Luvme Hair wig. Go on the Luvme Hair website, get this wig, or go on the Luvme Hair website and get yourself a glueless wig. Okay, you won't regret it because their wigs are amazing. this is amazing. I did nothing to this wig, okay? Literally. Wow, the hairline. You can't even tell that it's a C part. Like literally. It goes all the way. This is beautiful. I am so happy. So I want to comb out these curls. Yo, the bounce. Ah, these curls are amazing. So I want to comb out these curls so that we can see how big this wig can go, okay? Look at that, guys. Ah! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, this is elegance on another level. Okay. Wow. Guys, y'all can see. I don't have to say much. The quality is top tier. This wig matches my skin tone perfectly. Look at that. This hairline is literally sending me like I am so happy, you guys. Look at that. Do you see that? Huh? Soft. Huh? Soft. Yo, I love everything about this wig. Ta-da, ta, 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 ta. Wow. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, stay fabulous.